AJ, ang init. Oo nga, it's been so hot. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Ako lang to. Sorry, ang init Amiel, what do you know? What do you know? Watching from Cavite. Hello. That's where I came from. Watching from Mars. Earrings from NCAT. Hindi natin to. My birthday is coming. Happy birthday to you, darling. Keep on living. Amiel, what do you know? What do you know? This one, it's an ear cuff na you can also pwede siya maging earring din. Happy birthday sa'yo, YK.G. Happy birthday to you, darling. Shout out mo ako, te. Dre? Since may question mark yung pangalan mo. Dre? Diba guys, ang ganda. Kasi ang ganda ko. Audrey? Since may question mark yung pangalan mo. Kailan ka ulit mag-Valo? Hiniram ng kapatid ko yung Predator laptop ko. Yung Acer laptop ko. So, pagbalik dito. Saan mo nabili yung earrings? From NCAT Philippines. Guys, lahat ng accessories ko na makikita nyo ay galing sa NCAT. Even the cap and everything. How's playing golf so far? I am so addicted to it, guys. I think meron na akong kalyo. Ganun, ganong levels. Kinakalyo na yung kamay ko, guys. Never nagkakalyo yung kamay ko. My hands are very, very soft. And may kalyo na yung kamay ko because of golf. Ganun na ako. Ganun levels na. And I'm just so excited. I'm just so happy. Guys, bumili na ako ng set. Bumili ako ng set. Anyway, arit ako sa golf. And hindi pa ako magaling. Kasi kakasimula ka pa lang. Pero I'm getting there. I have friends who play golf and they help me. They help me a lot. Actually, golf na pupunta ko ngayon, friend ko siya. Turuan niya ako mag-fairway. I-rate ko yung sarili ko sa golf. I'm medyo not bad for a beginner. Siguro ngayon, yung level ko nasa 3 pa lang. Pero I'm getting there. For a beginner daw, sinasabi nila na fast learner. Pero, basta, we'll get there. Hello, Dilemma ni Mark. Háblame español. No habla español. Yes! Oh my gosh, may Manggahan Festival kami. So excited. Everyone, we're back in Iloilo. I have so much childhood memories sa Guimaras that usually pag nag-Iloilo kami, nag-Guimaras talaga kami. The mangoes there are amazing. So sabi ko nga sa girls, you guys have to try their mango. Where are you from? I'm from my mother's womb. Hello, baby girl. Are you lost, baby girl? Charot. Favorite verse from the song? Meron akong favorite verse, pero hindi pa siya released. Ganun pala yung sinasabi. Nag-lunch ka na? Not yet. Papunta pa lang yung lunch ko. Anong gusto niyo ng relapse cover, guys? Anong gusto niyo i-cover ko next? Request kayo. Multo. Minumulto ako ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko. 2, 0, 1, 2. O nga, no? Minumulto ako ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko. 2, 0, 1, 2. Saw you guys during MRLD Con. First row pa. OMG. Grabe ka makatitig. Ang ganda mo kasi. Saan sila, Faye? Today's our rest day, so I don't know. Ilonggo fan here. Ooh! Makadto ka sa Manggahan Festival. Kadto ka. Masaot man kami. AJ, so bold and wild ng Maybelline photo mo. Paano yung bold and wild? Paano yung bold and wild? Sa din ka sa Iloilo. Balasan. My whole family sa mom side ko. Quick live lang to, guys. Kakamustahin ko lang kayo. When ba kita makikita sa personal? Pag pumunta ka sa mga events namin, and very very soon, madami yan. Saw you nung sa bench. Yes! As a model. Iklian mo po bangs mo. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Siya ay na-trauma. No, 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 no. Dili ko gid mag-microbangs na. Uy! Dili na. Kag ma-trauma ko gyud. Isang kapatid ko na 8-year-old fan ng G22. Rana yung name. Hi, baby Rana! Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Di ka pa nag-lunch? Not yet. Paparating pa lang. Sino? Jazz. Dito si Jazz. Girl! What you doing here? What you doing here? Andiyan si Jazz. Hi, Jazz. Saw you last night. I can't stop thinking about you. Wala gid siya reaction. Hey. How are you, darling? Mine's shoes sa likod. Arborin nyo na. Pose for wallpaper. Ano ba yung pose for wallpaper? Oh, ganon. Kamusta ka? What time did you wake up? I woke up at 8 a.m. Surprise. And then I slept again, and then I woke up at 10 a.m. What time did you wake up? Did you just wake up? I think you just woke up. Canada tour. Why not? She just woke up. Hey. Grabe ka naman, Jazz. Napuyat ka. Kakaisip sa akin. Hey. Stop sending flowers. Hey. Ano ba? Wait, magsiselos yung boyfriend ko. Magsiselos si Gio. Jazz, wag. Hanggang dyan lang kaya ko ibigay. Magsiselos si Gio. Tatampo na mo. Ano ba? Sorry. Dala lang ng emosyon. Sorry. Can't resist the biceps. Hey. That's only for you, baby girl. Hey. Uy, sorry, Gio. Sorry. Nagtatampo na ako dito, hindi mo ako pinapansin. Sorry na. Sobrang na busy lang talaga. For the Aldab. Sorry, natapakan yung pagka-love team nyo. Ay, 12:30 na. Anyway, bye guys. Catch up lang to talaga. Jazz, mamaya ka sa akin. Jazz, wag muna tayo magkita. My gosh, wag muna. Nagsiselos to si Gio, yung boyfriend ko. Where you going? I'm going golf, girl. Tinan mo yung outfit check. Guys, outfit ko sa golf. Ha. Diba? Naka full bangs and makeup. Hindi yan full bangs and makeup. OA ka naman. Mawawala din yun mamaya. Kasama ko kasi si Gio, yung boyfriend ko. Gio, gagolf kasi kami. Charot lang. Kamusta deadline mo? Oh, napasa ko ng yung deadline ko per 3 a.m. Hindi nyo kaya. I just wanna ask G22 Jazz if crush niya ba ako. Anong crush ka niya? Di mo ba ako nakikita? Am I blind? Are you blind? Am I blind? Anyway, charot lang. Bye guys! Kinamusta ko lang talaga kayo. And happy Labor Day. Pahinga kayo. Ano lipi mo? My lipi is Superstay Maybelline. Bye-bye. Superstay with me. Stay with me. Mayona kana no atadagi. Bye guys.